Nice. Make sure my chat's up. Man, and it's hard to think of this music. Alright, well, I hope I'm live. Okay. Well, assuming I'm live, I'm gonna start working on a new game mode today. For zombies. I'll probably release this for free whenever Infinity Loader starts to support Black Ops 3. But I don't know. What's up, Wolf? What's going on, dude? We'll do this on Knocked. What's up, Cloud? Going pretty well. How are you doing? Trying to figure out my screen space here, because normally I develop on a lot bigger monitor, but to stream I gotta throw it into 1080, so it's kind of scaled up weird. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do first is just go ahead and make sure that everything's working. I'm going to always add 3 test clients whenever the game mode starts, just to test stuff. So, yeah, I think what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is just add some bots. Is that a custom map? No. No, this is Zombies Chronicles. I thought I actually had custom maps, but I don't see it anywhere in here. Oh yeah, I deleted them. Never mind. To save disk space. Yeah, custom maps take a lot of space up on your hard drive. Okay, so I guess I'll make a game mode GSC. Oh, that's gotta be .gsc. That's weird, I never saw it, I only played Origins. Yeah, it's Zombies, I mean, it comes with the same map pack. These maps are all, Zombies Chronicles maps. Zombies Chronicles are just remastered maps, so... and then I bought Garad Krovi as well. But I don't have these 4 maps yet. Never modded on BO3. How do you inject GCs in the game? I have a custom compiler that I'm using from Infinity Loader. It's in private access. You can just, if you just want to like use mods, you can just use mod tools, which are officially supported by the game. You go to the Steam Workshop, and the mod tools will have like, they'll have you download Radiant and all this stuff, and you don't even have to do that. You could just download somebody else's mod tool mods on the workshop. If you want to go online though, or like matchmake with this kind of stuff, then you have to have a custom injector. How are you doing with the Corona stuff? I'm actually surprisingly good. I mean, my lifestyle hasn't changed very much because I've always been kind of a recluse. I just kind of, you know, stick to my stuff. None of my immediate family has been affected. We think my sister got it a while ago, but nothing bad happened, so pretty good. I live in Houston as well, which has been hit really hard, but nothing. None of my immediate relatives or friends or anything have been too badly hurt, so we're pretty good. What about y'all? How long will this stream be? I don't know. I'm gonna just code until I get bored. I need my old set team code. My friend got corona from his sister. He's quarantined bad with school. With school also online. That sucks, man. That really sucks. Yeah, school online also sucks because I know, like, you can't go out and talk to any of your friends or anything. Bro, the teachers are terrible. They don't even teach us. They just throw work at us. We've had to self-learn the work. Yeah, that's what I'm hearing as well. But yeah, it's a blessing in disguise, man. Because when you get to college, that kind of stuff's. I mean, that's what college is. So it's better you learn now, you know. So this is either going to throw an error or it's going to be totally fine. Also, I think I want to make the spawn be delayed a little bit. Because I know there's some code that runs when you spawn. Wait, spawn delay. Oh yeah, we use equals in Infinity Loader. I forgot about that. So this should adjust our team automatically when we spawn and add some clients. So I'll just go ahead and inject this to get something injected, you know. Where's the face cam at? You first. Don't worry, I'll get Bog to send your picture. Alright, so that should be on a different team from the bots, if the bots even spawn. Oh! Just wait, yeah? It should have spawned the bots. Maybe I need different code. Well, I guess we'll know if the team got set just by the, just by if I get hit or not. Oh wait, no, then that's not how that works anyway, because I'm... Well, what a useless inject. That did nothing for me. I'm also going to add fast quit. And that's just going to basically set me up to where whenever I end the game, I don't have to watch the outro. The graphics look choppy. Just the, Black Ops? Or like the entire stream? Oh, whoa, why are we only streaming at 360? What the hell? Hold on. Hold on. Man, I can't change them while I'm live. Shit. Hold on. If it's just Black Ops, yeah, I did that on purpose, because my computer's, like, weak. So I have to keep the settings low if I want to be able to do anything. Oh, yeah, no, it's fine on YouTube, though. That's fine. Okay, as long as you can read the code, and you can kind of see what I'm doing, then yeah. Gotcha. Alright, that's good. I was just making sure. Thank you. Yeah, I just leave the game settings low, because, I mean, it's not even a big deal, honestly. And, it keeps my PC running smooth. Because, I mean, you can see I'm dropping frames, and I'm, you know, at the worst graphic settings, so... okay, let's see. Make sure this is alright. Make sure... I'm pretty sure that's running. Well, one way to find out. I need to look at my old bot code. Which would be in Dual Funk, probably? No, they literally just add test client, so what the hell? Okay, that's weird. Maybe the bots don't like... Oh, well, I know why I can't add bots, actually, and that's kind of dumb. Close, but we'll set it on 4. So that's why the bots didn't spawn. Because if you have your player settings too low, the bots actually can't join. And I should be able to just spawn in and friendly fire them. I think they'll shoot me back, actually, maybe. I'm hoping they do, because it would be really cool to have the bots fight back. Because this whole game mode is based on, like, PvP. In zombies. Yeah, man, rip the Black Ops 3 frames. I'll get a new PC eventually, I just gotta save up. It's hard, man. Those new graphics cards look sick, though. I want to get the 3090, but I mean, just the fact that the 3070 is $500 and better than the Ti, the current 2080 Ti is crazy. It's crazy. Am I black screened? Oh, I know why. Yeah, this was an issue on Black Ops 3 as well. Okay, I think this is due to the test clients. So we'll go ahead and do that first. So basically, oh yeah, I was gonna say it should have crashed. Basically the way it works is if you add bots before the game has started, the bots will actually never spawn, and if the bots don't spawn in, then the black screen never clears. So what I have to do to get bots spawned in is either call the spawn code on them, which I think is the best solution, or I don't know, that's probably the best solution. Can I have liquids, please, or a challenge lobby? I tried to give you liquids when I first learned about this, and you were like, no, don't do it, I don't want to get banned, and here we are 6 months later. Fat L. Okay. We'll call the spawn player function on them. I believe this will be a toggle. I think it's just level.spawn player, yeah. That'll force them to spawn. Which should be enough, I think. Let me think. It should work. I'm gonna add in a bind, though. An emergency exit, in case that ever happens again. And that'll just let me exit the game whenever. Can you infect me with your mod menu? I can, actually. $100 PayPal. And, you go to my theater. I don't know where I'm going with this. Wait a minute. I forgot to flex my stream in Infinity Loader. Hold on. Where's my mouse cursor? I need to tell everybody I'm live. I'm gonna go, Oh! Oh! Lewis already did it! Alright. Fucking owned, dude. Is there a way to skip that intro? Even if you skip the intro, like, yes, it's a DVAR. You can disable it. But, okay, I'm gonna see if my emergency exit works. So it was the use button, melee button, and ADS. Come on, that doesn't work. Fuck. Can I end it? I can't. Motherfucker, man. Alright, fuck these bots. Wait. Fat L. Why am I faking? That's correct, actually. You have not seen any mods from me right now on Black Ops 3. Every single time I've done it, I've either crashed or nothing's worked. Liam's calling me out. I think it's between rounds, complete or something. But I want to search. Y'all are gonna see my special dumps, so be jealous. It's like start spawning. It's a flag. Or it's like begin spawning, actually. Imagine overriding client IDs. Actually, yeah, that's a good point. I should add in the stability fix. Level.client ID 0 self client ID equals level. Boom. What are my specs? I'm on an MSI laptop. It's kind of old now. It's a 2017 laptop. It wasn't good even back in 2017. It's got an i7 7700 HQ, which is a good CPU, but something's wrong with the internals. Maybe it's the cooling or something. Also, a laptop always underperforms. And it's got a GTX 1050 mobile, so it's not good. But it's also not bad, and it really underperforms. I used to be able to run Black Ops 3 just fine. But I think there's some kind of degradation. Maybe I need new thermal paste. Maybe I need to clean it out. Maybe it's dusty. I don't know what it is, but it's gone to complete shit. So... yeah, sad times. It was $1,200 when I bought it, so I thought it was a good laptop. But I was wrong. So I guess my emergency exit code's useless, so I'll just get rid of this. Maybe I'll write a DLL or something. And it's begin spawning, I think. Yep. So it's level flag wait, which means I need to include the flags header. Do I have it? L. Let me get the flag header. What's up? Try. I don't know how to... Your name goes off into characters I don't recognize. Sadly. It's actually going to be in shared. What's up, user? What's going on, man? Heating to the CPU made it worse. Maybe that's why. CPU worsened. Yeah, for sure. As CPUs... Well, thermal paste can dry out. And laptop CPUs are notoriously bad for heat, so I'm sure I've just got bad thermal paste from the manufacturer in combination with a restricted space, never cleaning it, and all that's slowly adding up. I mean, I had a point where my touchpad didn't even work for some time, so it's not great, but... did you try turning it off and on again? No. Let me try that. That's probably actually why it doesn't work. No shit though, I do not turn off my laptop when I don't have to. In fact, the last time I restarted it was just because I wanted to install the 2004 update for WSL2. But what the hell? Script shared. So it's flag wait, I think. Let me just paste this. Wait, they don't even flag wait it though, do they? Oh yeah, there they do. There's the example. That's what I want. Didn't you get a warranty when you bought the laptop? No. No, I never buy warranties for that kind of shit. Waste of money. Also, I mean, what am I going to do? Tell them it's not performing as well as I thought it should? Like, they're just going to tell me, like, you know, you should have read the specs or something. What? Bitch. Line 8. Oh, we can't do that in IL? Bog. We gotta make it work. I don't like this. I don't like this not being supported. Can I do that? Nope. Fat L, man. Oh, and I didn't see your question about what about the storage. So the storage I have is a 1 terabyte HDD and a 256 gigabyte SSD, and it's not going great. You can see I basically keep my SSD at max load, which is horrible, and then my terabytes running out too, and then my backup drive has like 2.3 terabytes used. I've got another drive on my other PC, the one I'm streaming on, that has like 3 terabytes. And I backed up my 2 terabyte drive to another drive, so... We're gonna freeze again? Oh shit, the bot killed me! Wait, what happened? Bitch! What the fuck? What happened? Was it intersection? Where the fuck are they? What the hell happened? What in the fuck? What type of game mode? Wait, why do I have Pack-a-Punch? What the fuck? I guess I'm gonna bleed out? What in the fuck? Okay. You can't spawn bots when you're spawning, or they'll spawn inside of you? Yikes. Okay. Shit. And I'll disable the intersection override then. Damn. So the type of game mode I'm making is basically, to summarize it, you are playing against the other players to reach 100,000 points first. And the gimmick of it is that the whole thing is based around your points. If you have more points, you have more health. And when zombies hit you, they take away your points. Not all of them, of course. It's the value increases as you go along. But more or less, it's like a PvP game mode. So you can shoot each other to steal points and stuff. And yeah, it's the first player to 100,000 points. I probably explain it really poorly because I've never really had to, but I got the like rules right here. If you want to screenshot and read that. But yeah. Yeah, I use Team 3 all the time. Team 3's a thing, by the way. It was used for grief. What was I doing? Oh yeah, intersection override. I think that's just it. I think this goes in what? Player spawns? Player spawn. How's Extinct a mod? Because he's been a mod on my channel for like 3 years. He's got 2 accounts that are mods. Yeah, he bought it. He bought mod. I won't tell you what I made him pay me. It is a lot. Why did I do random int, random float? I don't know, but it's what I'm doing. Can I buy the mod for free? Sounds good to me. If you want to get infected, just watch my theater mode. Works 100% of the time. Fuck! Son of a bitch. My idea did not work. Hmm. Let me look. So it's in ZM utility. Okay, I'm gonna override this function. I'd rather go with DLL injection with my mods in C++. Well, DLL injection is useful, but the problem is that C++ takes like 100 times longer to write the code than it's going to take in GSC. And with GSC, you don't have to worry about memory, you don't have to worry about pointers, you don't have to worry about anything. You just kind of make code that does shit, and that's it. I mean, the reason I prefer GSC for this kind of thing is because a game mode is so lightweight that writing C++ is going to take longer to build the framework and implement all the code than it is to just do it in GSC. I mean, C++, you're going to have to reverse. You're going to have to find the memory structure for each of the functions you want to call. You're going to have to deal with all of the pointer obfuscation on Black Ops 3, which is a motherfucker. You're going to have to deal with worrying about things like asynchronous programming. You're going to have to worry about all sorts of different... What the hell? I wonder why they just despawn like that. I guess I need to wait. When I spawn them, I need to wait a second before I call level.spawnPlayer. You were right, but GSC scripting is weird syntax and has limitation. Yeah, well, you learn to live with it. I mean, once you get good at it, I can write GSC as fluently as I can with C# or C. I'm not great with C++ yet, but I can write it. And I'd say that you know, once you know the syntax, I mean, it's like anything. Same thing with JavaScript, same thing with Python, any programming language. You just spend time with it. So I guess I'm going to advance the round so that I can see if I can kill the bots. But they just all died, so... How the fuck? Oh, I can just melee them, actually. Oh man, knocked round 1. The slowest thing that's ever happened. Where is the last zombie? Did I just see that bot get points? Also, why is he on my team? The fuck? Is there documentation for GSC scripting? Kinda, yeah. So if you go to the mod tools download for Black Ops 3, you can get a scripting API. The scripting API is alright. It's not great. You're not going to get all the answers you're looking for. The best documentation is looking at the source. They released a mod tools source, which is kind of a general reference. It's not perfect, and it doesn't represent the actual live GSC in the game, and it's also, like, wrong for some stuff, but it's kind of the best thing you're going to get for now. You can also decompile the game using Cerberus. Okay, let's see if these... He's actually on my team, but he's not, and he's not. So I wonder why one of the bots is on my team, but the other isn't. Stop fucking shooting me, bastard! Yeah, they shoot back. Little fucker. You gonna shoot me with your pistol? He's gonna melee me when I walk up to him. Do it! Fucking bitch, man. You gonna revive me? Dickhead. Fuck you. Alright. I gotta figure out why one of them's on my team. Let me think. Modulus 4, so that's going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, which is 4 teams. I'm assuming... two of them have a valid team, 2 of them don't. I'm trying to make a remote function call, as this is the way I don't need to draw the mod menu inside the game with my mods. Because I'm bad at coding stuff. And the way I want to go is to make desktop apps as RPC. You don't want to do that. The best way to do it is to just do something like mgui, which Laws recommended to me. Or a trainer just is not great, because the problem with the trainer is you start to get delay, and RPC especially for Black Ops 3, you're not gonna do an RPC unless like you make your own essentially and like actually invoke code in your like detour, because you can't modify the .text section. If you modify the text section, your game will crash. So you have to do... I mean, there's ways to do it, but... Modulus should work. I guess I can just do self... or level.player 0. I print line bold level._GM team. So... one thing that's interesting, this will start at 1. So if I start this at -1, that'll fix that, but I don't think that's going to help. Even if I change memory protection, yeah, you're still going to crash. Because there's a CRC32 check. I need to figure out how to do a hot reload on GSC, because it makes stuff so much easier. Creator of Project Iconic, yeah. 3, 2... Oh, we got more people on my team this time. That's not good. Okay. Let me think. Why would that happen? So it would go 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, and 2 are probably all on the same team. 3 is not. But why is 3 and 4 okay? Or actually, it should be... That's so weird. So we start at 1 here. Obviously, host gets team 1. So... I'm wondering if there's aliases, like team 1 is allies, team 2 is axis. Let me try something else then. Let's start at 2. Or 3. Or, yeah, no, 2. And we'll do modulus, we'll keep this modulus, actually. Actually, that's what we'll do. Start at -1. But then add 3 to the result. Really, I just need to stop being lazy, stop shorthanding it, and just literally make it to where I have a collection, and we iterate to find a team that a player's not on. I could also try, like, return self.clientID. Since I'm actually using that. Okay, nobody's on the same team this time. Did the game just end? The game ended, didn't it? Yeah, the game ended. Okay. Alright. Time to open up the old zombie search and destroy. Because there's a function you have to override. At least I fixed the team issue, I think. I won't know, though, for sure until... Why'd it end? So, the game does a loop, and it checks to see if you are... If anyone is alive on the primary team, which is allies. If nobody is on the allies team, the game will automatically end. You can disable it, though. So, what you have to do for that is, I believe there's a callback that you have to overwrite. And I'm going to have to find it. It's either that or there's a flag. Holy hell, this is a clusterfuck. Oh my goodness. This is horrible. I don't even know what the hell's going on. Man, I used to code like shit. Whatever. I'm gonna text crawl. It should be any alive or something along those lines. It's in underscore ZM. Are you making a GSC extension for VS Code? No. Somebody else has already done that, just the syntax highlighting. Get all other players. Okay, we need to find where they do the check. Last stand. Default exit level. So this is just what happens when the game ends. Holy hell, I don't want to go through all this. So this is the function I was talking about, by the way, which is why, like, when I was spawning zombies in earlier, or I'm sorry, bots in earlier, it wasn't working. This function will wait for all players to be ready. And if their session state isn't playing, it will not start the game. Speaking of, let me fix their spawn logic here. That's a really lazy way to do it, but I don't really care. Is this the menu you're finishing? No. I actually need to redo that. Now that I got DLC, I realized my menu doesn't even work on the DLC properly, so I'm just restart. It's not the end of the world, though. See, this is the... You see this? Like, player.team equals allies. And then they do, otherwise they're team 2. Let me see where this is actually used. This is interesting. A lot of stuff, a lot of cool stuff in here. Cool. Okay, back to what I was doing. So I'm assuming this is going to be what is going to... This is getting spawn points. Which is actually kind of a useful function. So I'm going to comment this in here because I might need this later. But that is not what we wanted either. Oh, look, they have bots. Whoa. What the hell is this? This decompiled code is awful. What the fuck? Huh. Thank you for the good luck. I need it, clearly. I suck at this. I guess we're just gonna start scrolling then. There we go, check all dead. This has to be called somewhere. Is it used in ZM game type? Oh, is this going to be the function that... Ah, there we go. So, this is the variable we need to set for that to not happen anymore. Set that up right here. Alright, we'll just set that to true for better clarity. Alright, now we should be able to spawn in, kill bots, have them kill us, and not have the game end. And the next part is going to be instant bleed out and respawns. Or actually, there should not be respawns. Because we're going to handle it custom when all players go down. We will have them instantly bleed out, but when everyone goes down, we will restart the round. Okay, so you should have spawned in, right? Yep, there you are. Shit, it still ended. That's not good. Did I not re-inject? Oh, they are setting it to a number. Interesting. Okay, then I will set this to 999999. Fuck you, developer, who decided that was the way it's gonna work. Make sure that number isn't too big for int max value. Alright. This time, the game will not end. Fuck! It ended anyway. Bitch. Why the fuck are you ending? Alright. Bitch. Why is it doing this? See, they even have this. See, this is the interesting... This is what they're calling. So let me check ZM utility really quickly. I wonder if I'm setting it too early. Oh, I'm using the wrong variable. That's why. There we go. That makes sense. So... I'm just using the wrong variable. That should do it. And I'm gonna put this in here just to keep everything clean. Is this seriously happening? Yes, it is. I can't be more serious about it. Yo, what is going on, guys? Serious here. In today's video, I'm bringing you a live stream where this bot is gonna fuck me up. God damn it, it still ended it. Ugh. Alright. I need to figure out what's going on. Where's this function called from? It seems like it's... Okay, it says called on disconnect. And it's also called... I assume when you go down. Oh, no? Maybe this also needs to be true? I also may just be setting this too quickly. So... Alright. You need some Allier intro music? Bro, that meme is like... How old now? So sad. Can you hook me up with a CID? Bro, I don't even play PlayStation anymore. So, I can't. Unfortunately. Sorry. You can go buy one. They're like 20 bucks. Or cheaper, actually. They're like 10 bucks now. Yes, the game did not end. Finally. Shoot me, pussy! Fucking ended. Okay, something's gotta be setting the variable. Or there's gotta be an engine check, maybe. Okay, so the next solution is to always have a player on the Allies team, but the problem is when that player goes down or dies, then it's over. There may be another end game. Okay. There's multiple places where this happens, so I'm gonna go check all of these spots now. Because obviously something is happening that we don't want. Okay, so... So there's one in player out of playable area monitor, which I also need to just disable. So I'm going to set this to be my own callback here to clear this. And then I will also do this whenever we spawn. Oh, we already do. Okay, so that's clearly not ending it, but it was just a precaution. So this is the one I think that's ending it. I don't really see any other way to... There's player too many players check, of course. Which is not happening. Wow, this is a complicated function. What is this? The damage override. That's what's ending the game. Wow, what? But still, level no endgame check is defined. Oh, they coded it wrong, right? If not is defined, no game check, and no game check. That never returns false. Wait, no, that never returns true. What the fuck? Maybe this is supposed to mean that? Hold on, let me... BO5 unlock all lobby? I got you. Easy. I got you. And yeah, I'm modding on PC. Just because it's faster for development, and there's a lot more stuff you can do. Plus, I mean, there's not any new games coming out for console. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. If I cannot get this level... If I cannot get this to think... This logic doesn't make any sense. So if not is defined, level no endgame check, meaning there is no level game check, and level no... that this will always be true because of the way GSC works. So this is a coding error by one of the Treyarch developers. Or it's a decompilation error, but I'm more inclined to believe it's a Treyarch error. So this should actually... this should be... here. But they fucked up. So the problem is this check will not work. This will never work. I bet in Black Ops 4 this is fixed because they actually have a new game mode. I think this might have been one of the things preventing them from just easily adding a game mode in Black Ops 3. It's this little fucker right here. This is a logic issue. So the problem is we can't use this anymore, which... for this specific thing. So what we have to do is figure out a way around this. If player... Here we go. Okay, so this is what we need to do. We need to define this module. Luckily, somebody at Treyarch was clever enough to leave us a back door here. So, we're going to make this return true for now, but this will be a to-do because eventually we will check if there is an actual game end. But this is cool because that logic bug right there will actually give us some freedom for how we code this. Jokes aside, I'm actually watching and listening to what you're saying. That's good. That's good. I try to make sure that I like focus on the code whenever I stream because I want to teach people stuff. And I know a lot of people used to watch my streams to learn how to make different stuff, so I'll make sure that that's still a thing that I do. I'm talking in circles. Okay. So hopefully... Wait a minute. Module game ended. Shit, that's gonna just instantly end the game, right? When he goes down, it should end the game, I think. Yeah. Damn it. As y'all can tell, I'm a professional and never make typos or do anything stupid. Also, this is why GSC takes so long, because it's just stupid shit like this. You have to wait for the entire game to restart. It's faster in Mod Tools though. Mod Tools, you wait like 5 minutes for your scripts to compile. It was awful. I hated it. That's why I stopped doing it. Mod Tools had so much more freedom. Like you could add whatever assets you wanted. You do all sorts of cool stuff, but it took forever to build. Modern PCs though, I bet could build really fast. Alright, the game is not gonna end this time. Fuck, it ended anyway. Ugh. Count as less than player.size. Or is defined and not. So this is the next problem. So I guess what I'm going to do... Actually, I don't even think this is going to happen because we don't have the perk, right? So this is basically code that always runs when So wait. Here's what I don't understand. Level.no endgame check right here is correct, and it should return it. Oh, level flag get solo game is not happening. Neither is player size equals 1. Bastards. Okay, so I know what to do. I guess I need to set our lives to be equal to 2. Hopefully that's not going to do anything weird. I'm sure it will, but I'll try anyway. Any idea when GSC for Black Ops 3 will become an Xbox? Whenever Infinity Loader supports it. But I think they're launching with PC first. So I don't know when that's going to be released. Fuck, game ended. What happened there? Damn it. Okay. I wish I could debug. Like, step. I'm assuming this is where the end game is happening. Let me just triple check. So, player intersection monitor, definitely not happening. Check for all dead, definitely not happening. Okay. The thing that's weird here, though, is that count is only incremented if the player is a zombie, or if they're in last stand, or they're session state as spectator. Which couldn't possibly be where we're ending. Okay, it's time to do some very basic debug here. Oh, what the hell? They fucked it up here too. Not is defined and that. So it could never... I wonder if they did that on purpose. You motherfuckers. Okay. Alright, Treyarch. Alright. Okay. So obviously here it's working. Let me, we're gonna print just to see if this is getting set to false somewhere. But we're also gonna check to see if there's no way it's the disconnect, because on-player disconnect gets called on-player disconnect, period. So there's gotta be something weird going on here. I'm betting it's some stupid typo I made, or something just completely ridiculous. It's just so interesting that, trying to make a mod on Black Ops 2 and I have no idea where to start. Anything at this point, I just want to get used to GSC. I want to spawn bots and place them at my crosshair. Okay, so first of all, get yourself a copy of the Black Ops 2 GSC dumps, because you want to be able to look at the code from the developers. Second thing, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Okay. So the second thing is going to be that for spawning bots at your crosshair, you're going to need to do a bullet trace, return the position, and then add a test client and set their origin to that location. The way you can do that, look at the GSC managed code list for Black Ops 2, search for teleport player to crosshair, and then take the code for teleporting a player to the crosshair, and instead of teleporting a player, spawn a bot at the location. So there's got to be some kind of like game logic going on here that I'm missing, which is different from Black Ops 2. What I'm going to do for now, just to test and make sure it's 100% what I think it is, if self is host, team equals allies. So this is just making sure that there's no weird check, like if there are any players on Team 3 or Team 4 in the game. So we're just going to make sure that that's not the case, because if it is, that would suck. What's up, Guillaume? Or Guillaume, I don't know. Okay, so this should set me to the Allies team, which is normal. I don't see my... Okay, I do see the points. Why do I have a teammate? Shit! Little fucker. Okay, so the game's fine as long as I'm on the Allies team. And even if I'm down, the game doesn't care. Okay. Fuck it. Host is always on allies. Works for me. Does not bother me at all. All this other shit's pointless. Look at dev, GSC, and you have everything you need to do that. You're one of the people who can say it right. Oh, nice. What am I making? I'm making a modded game mode. So if the bots would stop killing me, which I'm going to enforce with a init dev, actually, let me... The idea is that basically you're going to play the game to, you earn points for, like, getting kills and stuff, right? So the idea is to get to 100,000 points first, but your points are your health. And if you damage somebody, you get points from how much damage you did to them. So it's kind of like a PvP VE game mode. Okay. So... yes. Let's see. Oh, wait, that's not what I wanted because I didn't actually do anything in host dev. I'm going to enable invulnerability because these bots are, in fact, kicking my ass with their upgraded Mustang and Sally whenever they go down. And I don't like that. Am I hosting anything for BO3? No. I don't host lobbies anymore because people would join me and then hit me off. So until I have a VPN, I'm not doing that. And last time I tried to use a VPN and host, nobody could join me because the ports were all screwed up, so... Y'all can hear me? Okay, sorry. I pulled out my mic cord. Damn, that sucks. You need to make it like Verrückt, have a door in between two teams. There are 4 teams, and we will all spawn on opposite sides of the map. So I'm going to create a spawn system to put us away from each other on the map. And I'll also probably do spawn protection. Isn't there a way to pre-cache models? Or can they be pre-cached? No, you cannot pre-cache models on mod tools, or these mod tools. I'll test on Kino, so I can clickbait. So the only issue I can see here is that if self.clientID ends up being some weird number, I can fix this with a modulus if I wanted, but I don't. I don't care. Yeah, I figured. I gotta figure out why I crash on Chronicles. I get a TTF. I don't know what that means. But, yeah, I crashed on Chronicles maps when I was including something that registered a client field that was not supposed to be on that map. So that might be why. What are you looking at? Yeah, they shoot back. That's good. They don't shoot at each other, though. Oh, yeah, they do. Wait. Yeah, they're shooting at each other. Look. He's gonna go fuck him up. Fuck him up, dude. Bruh. There we... Nice job. Dude, chill the fuck out, man. The bots are wonky on zombies. Do you use a name called Raz on Discord? No, I do not. I've never used that name. I don't think the bots have any more ammo, so I'm gonna just hold the zombies back here until they bleed out. Okay, and they all respawn like normal, and they're all on the correct teams. Good, sweet. I want to see them kill each other again. Sound just like a guy I play with? Huh. Oh, do grenades not hurt them? I think it only does 75 damage. Yeah, it hit him. Come here, you little bitch. At least we get some lunge. I'm gonna put hit markers on in a second. They fight the zombies too, so that's good. I actually haven't seen a zombie hurt any of them. So I'm gonna end the round. It should revive any of the ones that are down, but I don't know. Maybe because they're not on my team, it won't. No, it's not gonna revive them? Oh, he got up. What the hell's different about you? I guess he bled out at the right time. Alright, dude, chill. You're not gonna kill me. Dude, he's taking it seriously. Fuck you, Takio. Zombie, go attack this douchebag. Kill this idiot. Okay, he's shooting the zombies. Are they gonna hit him? Oh yeah, they're beating the shit out of him. Ha! Alright, cool. That's what I was wanting. Alright, so everything's working so far. No weird issues. I know power-ups as well will only work for the team that owns them. So like he doesn't have insta-kill right now. And that's because of the grief code on Black Ops 2. And I'm hoping that still works. Because I remember that was a thing in Search and Destroy and it was really cool. Yeah, poor Takio. He shouldn't have shot. He shouldn't have shot back. It was all fun and games until he shot. Yeah, what are you gonna do, bitch? Okay. So, hit markers. Okay, this is all... Oh, actually, I need to do the DVAR really quickly, though, for the time you're down, which I think changed in this. Let me look for the DVAR. Map name, there we go. So, player last stand bleed out time. I don't think this is used anymore. Oh, it is. Okay, if they put on coagulant, it would affect it, though. You still talk to Mir at all? I did, but we fell out. And I haven't played with him in a while, and I don't plan to either. Okay, so N bleed out multiplier timer. This is probably modified by coagulant? It's not. Okay, so what this means is that we can essentially just set this to 0, and you will always bleed out instantly. So let's try that. I'll be your friend, Sirius. Thank you, Liam. Sorry, somehow rewinded this stream, missing response. Mir, yeah, I fell out with Mir. I haven't played with him in a while. We were playing like 3 or 4 months ago. I don't remember. It's been a while. And I haven't played with him in a while. But yeah, I don't want to talk shit. Oh yeah, I need to set these as well. These talk flags, because if I don't, then you're not gonna be able to hear anybody in the game. Although nobody talks on PC. Gotcha. I've been booked on a game called Scum. Oh, it's a survival game. Whoa. Looks cool. Damn, what the hell? What does it cost? Oh, it's $30. Fuck that. I mean, I'd buy it, but... It looks interesting. Just kind of weird, you know? If you ever want to play it, let me know. I can get you a copy. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'll keep an eye out on it. Tell the story? Of what? Okay, I need hit marker. So... I think it's just do damage feedback, right? And you can just enable it, right? What is happening? That sucks. Why did they do that? I don't remember where this is called. Extinct, did you do hit markers already in zombies? Because I used to just completely remake it, which I think's kind of shitty. I'm pretty sure you can just enable them. But I don't remember. Can you just enable them? Oh, you did it for him? Great. Could you just send it over to me? That'd be, like, awesome. You do yours a little different? I mean, just let me know. Are you... Oh, so you're... Where are you using that, though, like as a hook? Are you just doing a wait till damaged? Actor damage override wrapper. Okay. That is what I thought. Oh, there's other override callbacks as well here. Like you could just add your own. See? There's more simple versions of hit markers, but this one is like multiplayer. It grows and turns red when you get a kill. Awesome. That's what I wanted. I did that. I tried to do that in Black Ops 2, but it sucked ass. Okay, so what I should be able to just do is add a callback here. This will also be a good hook in case I need it. So, I don't know whether this is called on all players or what. Inflictor, attacker, damage will be killed. Okay, so I need to include damage feedback shared, of course. Well, is it not going to let me rename it? Bitch. Really? Fuck you, Visual Studio. I just wanted to copy the name. Yeah, whatever. By the way, is play hit marker a function that you made yourself? Or are you just calling the, It's a built-in. Is victim not defined? What the fuck? Oh, self. Hopefully this works. Damn it. Holy shit. Okay, sorry, I missed chat. Sig still does suck ass. That's true. Are the button names in the console like D-pad right the same as PC, or do they have different names? I don't know what you mean, man. Look at attacker thread, zombie utility, show hit marker. Shit, that would be useful. That seems way easier. SMH my head. Stink give me all this complicated shit. Okay, let's see. If I can hit one of them. I didn't hit a single bullet. Okay, no. It's not working for players. The instant death is... Cool. Let's see if it's working on zombies at least. It is working on zombies. So, cool. The death did not work, though. Okay, so... Let's check out this function here. Looks like shit. I used to use it. Sad time. So 5, I assume, is if they're dead, right? And... This should be working, right? So I don't even think I need this function, though, because this function will be after the damage. Where can I get the names for buttons pressed? Like action button or melee? You're gonna have to look on managed code list or ask like a particular GSC developer, because most of us just remember them by name at this point. But there are lists on NGU that you can look for. Okay, so this is just a boolean, which means I can just use will be killed. And I also think that this is being called before the damage executes. So this probably won't work correctly using this callback that I'm doing. But that's okay. I need to do the player callback now. So as long as the zombie one works, for now, I'll call this okay, even if it's not technically correct. I do want it to do the red hit marker, though. Level.override player damage. Okay. There's also self-override player damage. I'm wondering if there's any callbacks. There's callback player damage. I'm wondering if I can just register a callback for player damage. Fuck you, loser. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna melee them from now on. It's so funny to just melee them and they're gone. That's it. Okay, that's working. It's just not... The kill isn't working. Because I saw the hit marker getting bigger. Am I doing something wrong? That... I might just have to use the callback that you told me to use. I just didn't want to hook. Cause see, I did this first, but this is Oh wait, what? Oh, never mind. That's fine. I'll revert to what you told me to do. Does yours show the proper like uh kill damage and stuff? What language is this? This is GSC, man. So I assume Extinct, what you're doing is just doing a wrapper, right? Like you're literally just doing a you're doing a wrapper override in here. What should I study to get to that point? What point? Being able to work on GSC? Or I'm not sure. Wait, what do you mean? This should work though. Oh, the damage override. They typoed. Come on, Treyarch. Oh, you just mean GSC? So to study, you should study the GSC dumps and just kind of play around. This is just Call of Duty scripting language. Uh, you can get official support in the mod tools. Fuck, I don't want to do that. Extinct, how does that even work? Because actor damage override requires a return. You're not returning anything. Right? Am I missing something? Oh, never mind. No, no, it doesn't. Cool. Time to copy and paste Extinct's code, as I always do. Um... Oh, shit. I crashed. Damn it. Ugh. It's been a while since I crashed. What did it not like? Oh, this. Puh. Nice. Fucking spaghetti code. BO3 GSC is too sensitive. I like it way more than Black Ops 2. I mean, Black Ops 2, you fucked up a variable, your whole thing is over, and you're sitting there searching for hours to figure out what is wrong with your code just to find out it's an undefined variable. At least in this, like, you've got some safety. You don't have, like, call stack safety like you do in GSX, but, it's still really, like... We can also... no we can't. Shit. That sucks. I don't think Infinity Loader will ever have the thing that it has for the other games where it doesn't fatally crash. Oh, we should stop resetting the Shadows of Evil. I want to work around having to do if statements for the options. What do you mean? Oh, for threading with arguments? I don't think there is one. Well, there is one, and it's called a variadic argument. IL doesn't support it, though. And you'd have to mod your code to support it. Variadic arguments are kind of a pain in the ass. Oh yeah, we're not gonna get any. Alright, my bot friends are dead. Now it's not even doing, I'm not doing damage. Yeah, fat L. It's because I bet this is running before this init is. Oh my gosh, this is the worst part of Visual Studio Code right here. This tiny little thing's supposed to be your vertical scroll bar. I'm gonna close some of this shit. I'm just gonna delete this and do what Extinct was telling me to. Oh, that's why it wasn't doing any damage. Never mind, I'm fucking dumb. I was, calling this on the attacker when I should have been calling it on self. For threading with our... Oh, wait, never mind. Yeah, you already said that. My bad. Alright. Hopefully I'll actually be able to kill him. Don't knife back, bitch. Fuck you. Okay, whatever. Nice! There we go. I like that. Reminds me of Extinction. That's sick. Alright, cool. Thank you, Extinct. Now I have real hit markers instead of making up my own bullshit. Okay, I gotta do it for players now. You said use player damage. Okay. Sure. What? The fuck? Oh, I'm assuming it's gonna be this. Yeah. Okay, that's the cheat. So this does need to return. Fuck. Okay, we want to return the result. So, I assume... I hate how they just rename shit, you know? That should work. Let's see if I get an error. Cool. Alright, we should get hit markers on players now. I think this idea would work great on Japanese map in Chronicles. Yeah. Bigger maps are actually not as fun for player versus player, though. You'd be surprised. The mods work with MP mods, but not ZM. I don't know what you mean. Can't you tab and hit left and right to scroll down the tabs? Probably. It might not be tab, forgot the shortcut. Yeah, I don't know the shortcut. I don't use Visual Studio Code that often, actually. Well, I do now. I normally use Visual Studio, like actual Visual Studio, though. Alright, let's see if my callback player damage is broken or not. Nope, it's good. It's not doing the correct hit markers, though. I guess that's because, because of the way zombies doesn't actually kill you. So, in zombies, you don't actually die when you go down. You get set to 1 health. And that's because the game engine functions for whether you are alive or not are affected by your health. So if your health goes to 0, it will actually treat you as dead, and a lot of the callbacks that they want would no longer work until you are alive again. And if you just set the health back to a number, it will brick your your damage callbacks. So we might actually be looking at result. We might need to actually return damage +1. Because if we don't, then... Did my music finish? Wow, it's been 2.5 hours. Alright. Guess we'll move to the next one. The fuck? Um. Yeah, I think what I have to do then is this function might not work. I might need to override it. Let me ask Extinct, because he's done this already. So this... Alright, I'm back. Ugh. Yeah, my mic's muted. I walked away, sorry. Sorry guys, sorry. Okay, I wish it would show that the bots are dead. Okay. Oh wait, is this not working anymore? What? Come on. What happened? You see how it's not red anymore? It was red a second ago. What changed? I had it red the game before. I'm just gonna try this first. I'm wondering if I need like a death override, maybe. Unacceptable. Alright, Lewis. I'm gonna send Deltax. Well, this shouldn't affect this asshole. It should only affect the zombies. That's what I thought. Okay, so something is going on where... Oh, look! It didn't happen there either. So... Whoa, what is going on? Is there a player feedback for the zombies? I'm wondering if the zombies are getting player feedback. So it didn't change until I did the player feedback. Okay. I'll just undo that. And I'll disable the player feedback. Okay. I just don't see why the zombies would be receiving player damage callbacks. It doesn't make much sense. But it's definitely possible. Unless I typoed. Okay, feedback's off for players. Let's check zombies. If I can find one. Okay, it works for zombies again. So zombies are receiving player feedback. Why? Who knows? But that means that I have to... They're not receiving actor damage, though, so... What the fuck, Treyarch? Why are your... Okay, I also probably need to do if result not equals 0, return. Or, if it equals 0, return. But I guess... there is, like, a is zombie thing, right? Yeah. Yeah, this should disable any zombies from receiving that kind of feedback. It wasn't working with players still, so I think I'm still gonna need an iPrint, but should fix zombies. Yeah. Okay. I'll probably get the point health working and then call it a night. Because I got some other stuff I have to work on. Okay, so it's increasing, it's just not counting them as dead. But I want it to show when they're dead. And it's just not doing it, so, oh, I know why, actually. That sucks. So, I'm gonna have to do it after they take damage, I believe, or, override the damage function, because... dot health is not gonna work. Okay, so, I know what to do now. The issue is that victim.health does not work. When the damage has not been applied yet. So we actually have to pass the amount of damage done. And then apply that to the health. So, victim.health minus damage is going to be the result. Let's set this as the default parameter to be 0 just in case. Okay. This should work. So Extinct, I don't know if you're watching. The issue is that player damage override calculates the amount of damage to be done by the game engine. It doesn't actually apply the damage. So if you are checking if the player is dead by using their health, you're not actually applying the modified health value. You're just calculating their current health before the damage is applied. So in order to actually get an accurate hit marker result, you have to pass in the amount of damage being done to the player before it's applied by the engine. I'm sure there's a callback for after the damage is done, but I don't know it. And I don't feel like looking for it because this is an easy fix. So, we'll see if it works. Bitch, stole my kill. Fuck you. It's still not working, is it? No, I mean, it's getting bigger, but they're still not dead. Huh. Okay, let's do some eye prints. Hmm. So results should print the amount of the attackers, or I mean the victim's new health. 0, so he died instantly. Is that really doing that much damage? It is. So it should be returning 5, right? If is define and return 5. If result, it should be returning 5. Alright. I assume we'll probably also want to know about this. This could be calculating the wrong value. So, if stage is 5, if the mod is equal to bullet, rifle, pistol, or headshot, and weapon is hero weapon, not it, kill streak, it's not a... Why? I don't like that. That's such a pointless fucking check. I'm just gonna fucking do equals equals 5. I'm gonna do that for zombies too, cause like, why the fuck wouldn't a melee count? I don't know. Alright, bastard. Why is it only... Okay, it's doing 1, which is... Always returning 1? Why? That's odd. What the hell? This is the fun part of GSC right here. Figuring out what the fuck he did wrong. Unless something's undefined, but like... So if results undefined... Or this is compiling weirdly. Is this compiling weirdly? I hope not. Okay. $60, $22, $38, $120, $80. Those are the correct values. I know max cells defined. So, I'm assuming this is just compiling weirdly. Which is not something I want to hear. It might be the correct order of operations, though. Oh, that shouldn't be. If so, I gotta let Bog know. Yo, what's up, Ray? Dude, it's been a long time, dude. I think the last time we talked was... Well, no, I think we talked in, Catalyst. Damn it, it's still not working. Huh. If that was undefined, that would just crash, I believe. This sucks. Unless the... I'm not sure why this is happening. Are you still making that game? Nah, I had to stop on that. Long story short, the back end of the game was developed in a way where I made some mistakes that would essentially make the entire game have to be rewritten. A lot of the back end, and I kind of just decided it wasn't worth it. 0. 0. Oh, man. Treyarch, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Fuck you. You've got to be kidding me. So max health is a fucking integer, but health is a fucking float. So you're telling me that the division between the int and the float doesn't work because... Oh my god. Okay. So y'all get to learn some stupid shit about Black Ops 3 today. Alright, so. In programming, if you have two types of values that are both integers, integers cannot ever be represented with decimals. So if I did something like, if I did 2 divided by 4, you would expect it to produce 0.5, right? Well, if they're both integers, it'll actually produce 0. The reason is because 4 cannot actually be, or does not actually go into 2 at all. So what's happening is so the dot health variable is a float, which means it can be represented with a decimal, but the max health variable is actually stored as an integer. And what happened is because I'm doing this calculation here, it's assuming that I want an int for result, which is then doing integer divided by integer. At least that's what I'm thinking it is, because there's no other reason that should be 0. Unless victim.maxHealth is 0. If victim.maxHealth is 0, then it's doing a divide by 0 and produces 0. But I'm pretty sure that crashes the VM. So this is either... Let me make sure this is a function really quickly. Let me just make sure that this is a function in the game. If so, I just learned a really weird quirk about Call of Duty. And yes, it will cast it to float. So, I'm hoping that I'm right and that I'm not just talking or saying something completely stupid. But if that's actually an issue, that's ridiculous. And this just, like, if that is the case, that just goes to show you why you can never, you know, be too experienced with this kind of stuff, because you always find something new, just weird shit that you wouldn't think of, that wouldn't be a problem normally. This is also the problem when you don't have type safety. That's why scripting languages suck sometimes, because you can't really tell that those issues are there until they hit you. I'm hoping so much that that's the issue, because this would fix it. Or at least I think it would. Yeah, that was it. That's crazy, man. It's still not doing my death thing that I wanted. But, wow. You learned something new. That's crazy. I'm going to write that up in my code, because I want to remember that. So, dot health is a float. Dot max health is an int. Float minus int, if float is Wait. Yeah, what the hell, man? That's gotta be... That's a VM issue. There's an issue with the track VM, because a float minus an int should always produce a float. Damage is an int, but... Shit, did I just pull out my mic again? Fuck. Why does their VM produce an int in that situation? Even if the health is a round number, it should still produce a float. What the fuck, Treyarch? Or do they automatically cast to an int for division in their compiler, but not in the fucking VM? Dude, that's dumb. Shall I tell the dev of what? Because this is not a compiler issue. This is actually literally Treyarch's VM just not handling the subtraction correctly. I also don't know why the result is greater than 1 is not working either. So I guess it's back to printing damage stays now. That's cool, though. I like discovering stuff like that. Well, Sig, I think if you waste the time of the compiler dev, he won't be able to get you that Black Ops 4 print line. So I don't know, man. Is it worth it? Works fine if you call it from the GSC you robbed it from. Yeah. Well, I'm telling you the reason, because this is getting passed as an integer. The math here is what bricked it. It automatically converted this math into an int when it shouldn't have. Okay, so we're getting 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. Am I not doing any damage anymore? Still 1. What the fuck? Okay, come here, you little bitch. Oh. Now the zombies aren't working again. Bruh. SMH my head. Is Lewis gonna fix it for me? That's good. Yeah, fix your broken ass compiler, Sig. I saw a 5 there, which is good. So it's kind of working. It's just not... Works on zombies. Okay. So there's got to be something else. It's because damage save stage 5 is being printed, which is good. You got Bog working on it. That's good. So if we have HUD damage feedback, get stage victim. Oh, what a bitch ass function, bro. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Man, that's some fucking bullshit, bro. Wait, do they have 2 of them? Why does that only take 3? Alright, I guess we're rewriting this too. That's some fucking bullshit, bro. Alright. This should work. As I've said like 300 times, and then immediately had whatever I said should work not work. Because that is just how good I am. Sunglasses. Ooh, don't do that. Okay, so it doesn't work for melees. But I expected that, because it doesn't actually... It's not supposed to work for melees, according to the thing. So why didn't it work there? I mean, the correct damage stage is printing for everything except for the melee. I don't even know why the melee's screwed up. That's printing... See, that's also printing 1 now. What the hell? What is going on? Okay, there was a 1. So if it's a headshot, it's not a 1. Or, I mean, it's not 5. Which makes no sense. Because the player is still dying. Alright, you know what? We need to move this callback. Because this callback is not working. I'm so tired of unplugging that mic. Holy fuck. Thank you, though, for telling me. It's because I have a headset and I'm wiring it like under my chair, so if I like step on the cable, it just gets pulled out of the USB slot. And it's hard to notice it. Damn. I need to figure out how to deal with that. I might just wire it behind. I can do that. I can just wire it behind my desk whenever I'm streaming. I guess what I'm not fully understanding here is just, you know, why I'm getting such like random results. It feels like. I had this problem on Black Ops 2 as well, where sometimes it just would not predict the death accurately. But I'm really thinking it's something to do with this play hit marker. Or wait, why are we... No way. Did I... Oh wait, no, that shouldn't matter. Maybe I need to re-implement that too? I don't know. So this insta-kills. I know this should always be red. 100 is 0. 100. What? You see that? First of all, why is it doing 2 damage twice? This is getting called twice. Or I'm printing twice. Wait. What? I mean, it looks good with the zombies, but, I really would like it to work with the players, too. I gotta be doing something stupid. Okay. So, 100 is to 0. 100 to 0 is 100. So we get 5 the first time. We don't even print anything the second time. So why is it getting called twice? What have I done to call it twice? Oh. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Because when I did this callback, I never added my damage. So it is calling it twice. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. Man, this shit's fucky. Good thing I added that eye print though, because that definitely made a lot of sense. Now what I'm worried about is why sometimes the damage stage is incorrect. Like, I'll kill the player, but still get a 1 damage stage. Like, I'll melee them, and they'll die, but the damage stage is 1. It doesn't make any sense. Okay. See, that's what I'm talking about. You see? Holy shit. Takio, chill the fuck out, dude. Okay. So, I did... See, okay, negative 40. But I still got 1. So is some absolute value going on here? Or is my just logic really bad? Right, because result was negative. Okay, so I think I'm going to just delete this line here. Because this may be fucking with it. Wait. Yeah, no. I don't think it would. So if you divide the negative number, there's no reason... So first, let's just get rid of this possibility here. I just feel like it should always be returning 5 here, right? But it wasn't. Which is just kind of weird. Like, when negative numbers got involved, it was freaking out, and I don't know why. Alright, let's see. Wait, where's the blue? Did I seriously not inject? Come on. I want a time injected here. Would be useful. I wonder why the bots always spawn in dead, though. It's kind of interesting. Okay, so we see 0.8, 0.78, 0.58. That's all correct. Negative 0.9. That's also correct. Did I just see red? Or no? Oh, we got red. Nice. Okay, I need to see if it works with a pistol then. Wait, so what was the difference? What did I do differently? Was it... Oh, man. Fuck, I'm stupid. I typoed, man. Damn it. No shit, it didn't work. Wow, man. Well, that just goes to show y'all how much time you can waste with GSC if you're just not paying attention. Oh, I haven't written GSC in a while, so this is what I get for taking breaks. I'm not even going to do the player health tonight. I'll do that, I might do it tonight. I might just do it off stream because I want to keep working, but... That's fine, Extinct. I got my way set up. Now it's finally working. But I just typoed so many fucking times. You see about a melee first, I guess. Come here, bitch. Okay, melees still don't work. But oh, that wasn't right. I didn't kill him. Huh. Okay. Then I think what I need to do is set that back to 0. Shit. So does that mean I literally just fucking rewrote this function for no goddamn reason? Oh. Well, no, that's not true, because I do need the damage to be modified, because you have to patch the damage parameter, otherwise the preview does not work. So it wasn't a total waste of time. It was not a total waste of time. And maybe this will help somebody else to not make the same mistake that I did and spend, 2 hours on something stupid. But I doubt it. Man, that new Cold War looks really similar to World War II, or COD World War II, like really similar. I almost feel like that's the Infinity Ward engine. I don't think that doesn't look like the Treyarch engine at all. I really think that's the COD World War II engine. Where you little bitch? Okay, so that works. Now let me see if melee works. Melee does not work. Does melee work on the zombies? Melee does not work on the zombies. I'm just gonna leave it like that. That's how multiplayer is, I guess. Cool. Man, I'm glad to have that working finally. That took way too long. It looks cool as fuck, though. I like it. I mean, it was worth it for sure. This is how zombies should work anyway, man. These hit markers are sick. You little fucker just stole my max ammo. Fuck you for spawning. Oh, did they respawn? I gotta fix that. You can just spawn trap them while they're restarting their round. That's hilarious. They count as kills too, I think. Well, maybe not. I don't know. I'd like them to count as kills. I think it'd be hilarious. This Shiva's way too strong, though. I'm thinking about maybe spawning everybody in with more health, just because the weapons are one-shots. Maybe I won't. I don't know. I don't even want to know what's going to happen whenever Pack-a-Punch gets introduced into the mix. Is my music dead? Yeah. But I mean, I guess that's just going to be the you know, the game mode. I think I'll just spawn you in with more points in the later rounds if you die. I'm sure points' health is going to be a motherfucker, though. Unless there's like a... There's got to be a callback for whenever you earn points, because that's how the alchemical antithesis works. So, even if I have to hook that, I also need to give points whenever you shoot a player for how much damage you did. As long as it's not negative. So I think I'm going to do that first. Alright. So... does is player take a parameter? Yeah, it does. So there's some kind of add to player score override. Oh, it's a BGB only thing. I can still override it though, I think. Yeah, see, I got 100 points for killing him. And then if I shoot this idiot... Yeah, nice. Okay, I like that. If the health sync thing is easy, then I might just do that. I don't know. So I could do a wait till there to set our health. Like I could literally just do level wait till earned points player dot health equals or player dot max health equals yeah, I need to figure out how I'm gonna do the health regen too, because the health regen yeah, this is something for another day. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna head out. Thank you everybody for watching. Even if you are watching this as an archive, as an upload. I'll probably work on this a little bit more tonight, maybe. And hopefully I'll see y'all on the next stream. Let me figure out how to end the stream really quickly. Because you can't just stop sending. You have to, like, there's a live control room for this. Here we go. Alright, y'all. Peace.